Hey friends, if you encounter the blue screen error after installing drivers on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to roll back the drivers. And how will you do that? Search for Device Manager and open Device Manager. So let us say that I just recently installed the camera drivers. Right click on the set driver and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab. Check if the rollback driver option is available. If it is, then try rolling it back, but if it is grayed out, then you cannot do anything except for uninstalling this driver. So right click on it and select Uninstall Device. Okay, and uninstall it and let it be uninstalled, and then click on Action and scan for hardware changes. If this driver was not supposed to be on your system, it will not show here. I'll show you what I mean. Let me try to uninstall the second driver. Okay, I uninstalled it. I'll click on Action and scan for hardware changes. The driver will be back, but not the first one, because the first one was not supposed to be on our system at the first place. And then you can disconnect peripherals. I'll tell you why. So external peripherals like printers, scanners and cameras push their own drivers to their system. If you're trying to download and install a separate set of drivers, that may cause a conflict, and that conflict can trigger a blue screen of death error. And obviously the last option is that you can reinstall it from the official website. Okay, so let's say that I wanted Bluetooth drivers for my system. So I'll go to ASUS drivers. Let's say you have a Dell computer, an HP computer, you can go to Dell or HP's website. The procedure is very similar. I'll show it for ASUS because I have an ASUS computer. We'll have to type the model number here. Okay, and then select it, and then go to drivers and tools in the right pane. Okay, let it load. It needs a while. And once it loads, scroll down to the driver which you want to install, and then click on download, and then click on open. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.